Passed NISM Series V-A, but still earning zero? You are missing one thing, your ARN card. Because without ARN, you cannot earn from mutual funds. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to apply for an ARN card in the easiest way. Step 1. Eligibility criteria. Before you start, check this. You must pass NISM Series V-A certification. You must have your NISM certificate, because no certificate means no ARN. Step 2. Prepare required documents. Do not stop in the middle. Keep everything ready first. You need PAN card, address proof, passport size photo, NISM certificate. These are mandatory for verification. Step 3. Apply online for ARN. Now the process is fully online. Go to the Association of Mutual Funds in India ARN portal. Fill the application form. Enter your personal plus NISM details now. Upload all your documents carefully. Step 4. Pay the application fees. After filling the form, pay the ARN registration fees online. Once payment is successful, your application moves to verification stage. Step 5. KYD verification. This is very important. Next step is KYD. KYD means Know Your Distributor. Your identity will be verified. In-person verification may happen. This step confirms that you are a genuine distributor. Step 6. Get your ARN card. After successful verification, AMFI processes your application. Your ARN number is generated. You receive your ARN card. Usually, this takes a few days to a few weeks. Important tip: once you get your ARN, you can register with AMCs, start selling mutual funds, and begin earning. This is where real income starts. Do not delay this process. Without ARN, your NISM certificate has no earning value. If you want full guidance, from NISM exam to ARN to earning, check out our website, www.nismexams.in. Link in description box. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Do not stay stuck. Start your earning journey today.